Hi everyone, my name is Suruchi and my video is all about Justherbs shade sampler kit, and it contains Ayurvedic lipsticks. Yeah, Ayurvedic lipsticks. One day I was scrolling down the Insta page and there I saw an ad of these lip shades sampler kit. I don't know what's it because they were claiming they only use herbs to make their lip shades. So I placed an order and I received it. Yeah, the packaging is very nice, very cute. And this kit contains 16 tiny lip shades. I use them and yeah, I find it very good. Actually very nice. It doesn't stay so long, but still it stays 5 to 6 hours, which is worth it. Yeah, and I received this kit for 576, I guess. Yeah, 575 rupees. And ingredients they have used are with Darikan, Muleti, Ashwagandha, Brahmi, Majesta, Kareti, Ashtavari, Amrita, Ambra, and many more. Please do like and subscribe.